Moments ago, we heard about some kind of constitutional problem with the first House bill that was passed in the House and went to the Senate. Some constitutional problem which I do not understand, but the constitutional lawyer himself, Mr. Napolitano, is here. Explain, please.
The problem is that the bill was passed in the Senate first, and the Constitution says all laws affecting money, federal dollars, must originate in the House. It has to be passed in the House first. So they've got to go through the process all over again. Occasionally this slips through, but quite frankly, the constitutional monitors in the Senate should have known this and sent it over to the House first. So the effect of this is just a delay by a couple of weeks.
A day of a couple of weeks?
Yes.
But I thought we were trying to get this get the bill out tomorrow, a fresh bill.
Well, everybody
then put it through to a vote after July the 4th.
Everybody thought that, but it doesn't appear that that's going to happen, because instead of sending it to the House to be passed there first, the Senate voted on it. So, I can't ascribe blame because I don't know who actually personally sets the schedule, but whoever it is ought to know about this provision in the Constitution. It's been there for 230 years.
So because of a technical error, and that's what it is, which affects the constitutionality of it, this will be delayed for a couple of weeks?
That's the decision that Paul Ryan has made. Let me tell you that there have been other bills like this that originated in the Senate, and they became law. It's a clause of the Constitution that is often not honored. But for some reason, the Republicans in the House have chosen to honor it, which will mean a substantial delay because Congress is not in session next week because of the 4th of July recess.
I can't. That's news. That just broke. That just happened right there.
Yes. You're right. You're right, and your dismay will be shared by everybody that's following this.
But wait a minute. The House passed a bill. It went to the Senate.
No, the Senate passed it first, and it went to the House. And then the House passed it, and it had to have been the other way around. But much legislation has come about where the Senate passed it first because nobody really challenges this.
You lawyers.
Blame it on me again, Mr.
I will. All right, Judge.